kindly to accept the honor for New Generation Medical Institution of the Year, Sri Lalitambangai Medical College and Hospital. And now we move on to our next category, which is, ladies and gentlemen, Distinguished Contribution to Healthcare and Medical Training. And this award goes to ACS Medical College and Hospital. If you could please have them here, have the team on stage from ACS accept this incredible honor, this special moment. Thank you so much. Our congratulations once again, sir. Okay, can we please have Mayank Srivastava on stage to kindly join us in presenting? IPS Officer Mayank Srivastava, I think you're amongst us in the audience. If you could kindly do join us on stage in helping present the next category of awards, please, sir. We'd be deeply obliged. All right. And with that, we move on to our next category, which is Excellence in Gynecology and Laparoscopy Surgery. And the award goes to Dr. Rajashri Taishete Basale. Can we please have Dr. Rajashri on stage to claim this honor, Excellence in Gynecology and Laparoscopic Surgery. Congratulations once again to Dr. Rajashri. Our heartiest congratulations once again. Dr. Rajashri for Excellence in Gynecology and Laparoscopic Surgery. And with that, we move on to our next category, which is Excellence in Cardiac Sciences. And Excellence in Cardiac Sciences goes to Apollo Adlux Hospital. Can we please have the Apollo Adlux Hospital team on stage to receive this recognition? Congratulations to the team once again, Excellence in Cardiac Sciences. All right. And ladies and gentlemen, with that, we move on to our next recognition, our next felicitation this evening, which is for Excellence in Hair Transplant and Restoration. And it goes to Ajay Bansal of DHI Medical Group. Can we please have the DHI Medical Group team on stage and Ajay Bansal doing the honors, please, in accepting the recognition. Okay, let's move on to Healthcare Innovator of the Year, and it goes to Mitra Hospital, Navneen Nair. Can we have Navneen Nair on stage, please, to accept this incredible honor for Healthcare Innovator of the Year? Congratulations once again to Navneen Nair and team over at Mitra Hospital. Healthcare Innovator of the Year, ladies and gentlemen. And with that, we move on to our next category, and our next category is Excellence in IVF and Fertility. And the winner in this category, Excellence in IVF and Fertility, is Dr. Mona Dahiya. Congratulations, Dr. Mona. Huge round of applause. Thank you so much. It's a very special moment, a special honor. And our next category has several winners, ladies and gentlemen. So I'll announce the category and then I'll announce each of the winners. And the category is Emerging Star in Gynecology. And in this category, Emerging Star in Gynecology, our first winner is Dr. Sri Vidya Taduru, Consultant Obstetrician and Gynecologist at Samraksha Hospital. Can we please have Dr. Sri Vidya on stage to accept the honor? Also, Emerging Star in Gynecology in the same category. I'll announce the next winner very shortly. And the next winner is Dr. Ananya Polam Reddy, Senior Consultant at Sun Life Hospital. Can we please have Dr. Ananya Polam Reddy on stage to accept this honor and this special recognition? Thank you so much, doctor. Thank you so much. All right. And our next emerging star in gynecology is Dr. V. Anusha Reddy, who's the managing director of Vanasthali Hospital and Vijay Lakshmi Hospital. Can we please have Dr. V. Anusha Reddy on stage to accept this honor as the emerging star in gynecology? Lovely. All right, and we'll move on to the next emerging star in gynecology was Dr. Manjul Prakash, who's the consultant of obstetrics and gynecology at Dr. Bansal Ultrasound and Mother Care. Can we please have Dr. Manjul Prakash on stage in accepting the recognition? Lovely. And our next emerging star in gynecology is Dr. Pratibha Garg, who's the director and senior consultant at Swastik Maternity Center in Delhi. Congratulations, doctor. And our last and absolute final winner in emerging star in gynecology as a category is Dr. Amit Kamath, who's the chief consultant at Kamath Hospital, Mumbai. Let's please have him on stage. Congratulations once again, doctor. All right, and can we please have Dr. Rajul Tyagi, infertility specialist and director, Javitri Institute of Medical Sciences, on stage to accept this special honor. Thank you, Dr. Rajul. All right. Thank you so much, doctor. Okay. And we'll now move on to our next category, ladies and gentlemen, which is excellence in women's health. And we have multiple winners in this category as well. It's a very coveted category, and we have a lot of distinguished achievers. The first of which is Dr. B. Padmavati, who's a consultant gynecologist at Basant Sahani Hospital, Secunderabad. So can we please have Dr. Padmavati on stage to accept the honor for excellence in women's health? Thank you so much, doctor. Congratulations. We celebrate you and we salute you. All right. Lovely. And our next winner in excellence in women's health is Dr. Indira Gauri, who's the chief consultant of obstetrics and gynecology at Indira Hospital, Hyderabad. Can we please have Dr. Indira Gauri on stage to accept the honor? Our congratulations, doctor. And we'll move on to the next winner in the same category, excellence in women's health. And the winner is Dr. Reshmi JR, who's the in-charge and senior consultant, Department of Reproductive Medicine at Kinder Women's Hospital and Fertility Center, Chertala and Alepe. Congratulations, Dr. Reshmi. We salute you and we celebrate your efforts. With that, we move on to the next winner in excellence in women's health. And the winner is Dr. Nishita Agarwal, who's the owner and director of the Gynae Clinic and Hospital in Faridabad. Dr. Nishita Agarwal, let's please have you on stage, ma'am. Congratulations once again. And our next winner in excellence in women's health is Dr. Bhumika Bansal, who's the director and head of obstetrics and gynecology at Max Super Specialty Hospital, Lucknow. Can we please have Dr. Bhumika Bansal on stage to accept the honor, this very prestigious felicitation. Thank you so much. And our next winner in excellence in women's health is Dr. Anil Gurjar, who's a professor of obstetrics and gynecology department at SMS Medical College in Jaipur. If we could please have Dr. Anil Gurjar on stage. Thank you so much. A lot of highly distinguished medical professionals to celebrate tonight. All right. And with that, we'll move on to our next winner. Again, this is in the same category, Excellence in Women's Health. All right. And the winner is Dr. Manisha Man Kadyan, Consultant and Director at the Kidney Hospital in Panipat. Can we please have Dr. Manisha on stage to accept the honor and the recognition, once again, for excellence in women's health. And our next winner in excellence in women's health is, ladies and gentlemen, our next winner in excellence in women's health is Dr. Abhay Sethi, endoscopist infertility specialist at Ameya Clinic. So if we could please have Dr. Abhay on stage to accept the honor and the recognition. Thank you so much, and congratulations once again, sir. Thank you for your contributions and for raising the bar when it comes to women's health. All right, and we now move on to our next winner in the same category, Excellence in Women's Health. And the next winner is Dr. Shilpa Goyal, who joins us as Director and Consultant Obstetrician and Gynecologist at Magnus Hospital, Udaipur. Let's please have Dr. Shilpa Goyal on stage to accept the honor and the recognition. Congratulations once again, Doctor. And we now move on to our next winner in the same category, Excellence in Women's Health. And our next winner is Dr. Neha Bajaj, who's Consultant Gynecologist and Infertility Specialist at Kailash Hospital, Dhanbad. Congratulations, Dr. Neha. We welcome you on stage as you receive this honor. And our last winner in the same category, before we move on to our next category, which is Excellence in Women's Health. And the winner is Dr. Simi Harris, who's the Director at We Care Women's Clinic. Can we have Dr. Simi on stage to accept the recognition, please? For setting new standards for excellence in women's health. All right, our next category is a very coveted one, and it's called Maestro in Gynecology. We have several winners in this category as well. And the first of which is Dr. Geeta Shanbanas, who's the Consultant Gynecologist at General Hospital, Niyatikmara, Tiruvananthapuram. Can we please have Dr. Geeta on stage to accept the honor? Congratulations, Doctor. Congratulations on this honor. Maestro in Gynecology. And we now move on to our next winner in the same category, Maestro in Gynecology. And the winner is Dr. Veena Chudamani, who's the Consultant Gynecologist at SK Hospital in Tiruvananthapuram again. Dr. Veena, if we could kindly have you join us on stage in accepting the prestigious honor. We now move on to our next winner in the same category, Maestro in Gynecology, and the winner is Dr. Bindu Suresh, who's the Senior Consultant of Obstetrics and Gynecology at Karotukuzi Hospital, Aluva, Ernakulam, Kerala. Congratulations once again, ma'am. Thank you for joining us all the way from Ernakulam, Kerala, and we congratulate you, Dr. Bindu. We celebrate your achievements and accomplishments in the field. Our next winner in the same category, Maestro in Gynecology, is Dr. Urvashi Seghal, who's the Director at Phoenix Hospital. If we could please have Dr. Urvashi on stage. Thank you so much, ma'am, for being here and for accepting this recognition from the Times Network here at the India Health Summit and Awards 2025. And our next maestro in gynecology, ladies and gentlemen, is Dr. Kiran S. Gautam, who's the Managing Director at Gautam Nursing Home. Thank you, Dr. Kiran, for being here. And we congratulate you on this honor. Thank you so much. All right. And our next winner in the same category, which is Maestro in Gynecology, is Dr. Ashok Kumar Rai. He's from the Obstetrics and Gynecology Department at Savitri Hospital in Deoria. Let's please have Dr. Ashok on stage to accept this prestigious honor. Congratulations once again, Doctor. And our next winner in the same category, which is Maestro in Gynecology, ladies and gentlemen, is Dr. Sudhir Nayak. If we could please have Dr. Sudhir Nayak on stage, who's the director of Sri Guru Hospital and Oyster Hospital in Mumbai. Thank you so much. Our heartiest congratulations to Dr. Sudhir Nayak. And we now move on, ladies and gentlemen, to our next Maestro in Gynecology, and that is Dr. Aswath Kumar, who's the Professor and Head of Unit, Department of Gynecology at Jubilee Mission Medical College in Thrissur, Kerala. Let's have Dr. Aswath on stage, please. Congratulations once again, that big smile. And our final winner in this same category for this second set of awards, there's more to come. For the second set of awards alone, our final winner in the Maestro in Gynecology category is Dr. Dhan Lakshmi, who is a professor and senior consultant, Department of Obstetrics and Gynecology with Sri Ramachandra Institute of Higher Education and Research. Thank you, Dr. Dhan Lakshmi. We congratulate you on your honor. All right, thank you once again. And